So just had a package come in. I know what it is too. EZ LYNK ELD vehicle monitor, and I can't wait to open it.
I have been on the road for 5 weeks running this ELD from EZ LYNK. It is the Auto Agent 3, and if you're interested in ELDs, pay attention to this video. My name is Brad. I have a transport company called Twin Rivers Transport. Doing what we do, we deliver, well, you can see right here, we deliver stuff all over the country. I am in the beautiful state of Arizona. So let's start with the basics. What is an ELD? An ELD is an electronic logging device. It is basically a recorder. It is a device that plugs into your OBD2 port on your truck, and it just records everything you do from the time you leave the house, every time you make a stop, anything your truck does, this records. And why is that so important? Well, after 2019, they passed a law that any commercial driver that does interstate commerce, it is mandatory for them to run electronic logs. Now, the only way to get around this is if your equipment is old enough to where it doesn't have the OBD2 port. So for everybody else, including me, we have to run electronic logs. You can only work 14 hours a day. You can only drive 11 of those hours. And in the first 8 hours, you got to take a 30-minute break. And then when you stop for the day, you have to wait 10 hours before you're back on the road. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. You can only work 70 hours in a week. Just this morning, I have used my e-logs 4 times. So it's not hard, but it's just notating. Hey, pre-trip inspection, on duty. I picked up this vehicle. I put the BOL information in my ELD, right? And I try to keep nice, clean, accurate logs. And the reason in doing so is because we are subject to inspections, level 1, 2, and 3 inspections. Well, 9 times out of 10, when they're going through your logs, you email them your logs and in a car or an SUV behind you going through your logs. So I try to paint a nice, clear picture. So let's talk about this EZ LYNK. I just kind of wanted to give you the rundown on e-logs and why they are so important. So now let's dive into this device. The first thing that I've noticed, the setup time was very easy. I literally unboxed it. I had it set up. I had a business profile built in 10 minutes on my home computer. And then I control my ELDs off of an iPad. And I downloaded the app. So roughly 15 minutes, I had the device set up, ready to use. As I was using this, because I ran this product, I wanted to put out accurate information. I wanted to be as truthful as possible. I don't want people going through the same thing that happened to me. You know, you get out here, you start running, and you get hit with this 3-year contract. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's still a 3-year contract. It's alarming to me. I'm sorry, there's a lot of background noise, but you can actually see I'm out here working using these. So, you know, one of the last guys I brought on, he had been used to using a different kind of e-logs. He didn't know what to think about motive. He adjusted good, but the thing is having a rock solid software in logs, but easy to navigate through, right? It's not hard. And that was one of the first things that I noticed about EZ LYNK is, it was user friendly, should I say, very user friendly. And that's a huge thing. I am a tech guy. I'm good at tech, but I don't need, my guys struggling with something. If we were to switch over to these logs, it has to be nice and easy, effective, and rock solid. So the first thing I noticed that it was very user friendly. It's not hard. But the second thing I noticed, and this is huge to me, the connectivity. I ran these for 6 weeks and I didn't have one issue with this device syncing up to my truck or my iPad, right? And that's why I wanted to run it. I can figure out the navigation part of their app. I can figure all of that out. But if I'm gonna make a video on something that is very, very important to business, as these logs are, I wanted to personally run this myself. I wanted to use it every day. I wanted to start my truck. I wanted to turn my truck off. I wanted to run. I wanted to start my truck, turn my truck off. I wanted to keep it plugged in. I wanted to use the app, close the app, open the app. And it never one time did not sync up. So those two things right there, being able to navigate through it easily, user-friendly, but being solid. So you purchase the device and then the ELD is $15 a month, no contract. It also has a top-notch vehicle monitoring system, and I'm gonna make a whole different video over that. Anybody that follows me knows that the last year my truck blew up twice. Ever since then, I'm a gauge watcher. I watch gauges. My truck has gauges from the factory. $15 a month for their lower, for just the ELD, $20 a month for vehicle and monitoring, $30 a month for vehicle monitoring, ELD, and IFTA. For anybody that does not know what IFTA is, International Fuel Tax Agreement. All of us Class A guys with apportioned plates have to have IFTA. This ELD tracks your miles going across every single state. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but for people that have been doing trucking for a while, know that they used to have to log their miles through every state on a pen and paper. So this tracks your IFTA miles, which is huge. So the vehicle side, the monitoring side was awesome because it opens up so many more features than that my truck currently provides. What I'm saying is, yeah, I have trans temp, water temp, and all of that on my truck from the factory, but we're talking about fuel line pressure, transmission line pressure. We're talking about exhaust gas temps. There's 4-spot for EGTs. I mean, your transmission shifting points. It goes in depth and it's customizable. It's like you can customize it any way you want. So another thing, like I could keep going, that this ELD offers, or this, I shouldn't call it an ELD because it is their EZ LYNK Auto Agent 3, right? It does ELDs, it does vehicle monitoring. So the Auto Agent 3 it also has DriveWise built into it. And for anybody that does not know what DriveWise is, it is a way station bypass. It is literally, it's an extra option you can get, and I think it's $17 a month. So here's what I did. I got the device. I did the top-notch plan, which was $30. I added the DriveWise, which was another 17. So for $47 a month, I have an ELD and bypass. Let's talk about my current one. I pay $70 a month for my ELD. $75, $28 for our way station bypass. So I'm well over $100. So it's basically half the cost, no contract, and that's why I'm making this video, man. I've had zero issues. I'm impressed. Hey, if anybody wants to check this out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. and you just click the link. If you have any questions, let me know. Bradley at TWINRiversTransport.com. I will answer them honestly and as best as I can. And so I'm gonna have to say, man, I'm gonna give this product 2 thumbs up. I love it.